In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload documents in DocuSign. Whether you're new to DocuSign or just need a quick refresher, I'm here to guide you through the process step by step to ensure that you can manage your documents with ease and confidence. So let's get started. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the DocuSign homepage. You can do this by opening your web browser and typing in the DocuSign URL, or simply by clicking on a bookmark if you have it saved. Once you're at the home page, it's time to move on to the templates section. You'll find this option clearly labeled in the navigation bar. Go ahead and click on templates. This is where you can create new templates or manage existing ones. Next, we want to create a new template, which is a fundamental feature for organizing and sending your documents efficiently. So, click on Create Template. This opens up a range of options for you to tailor your documents to your specific needs. One of the first things you will need to do is give your new template a name. This will help you easily identify the template later, so pick a name that reflects its purpose or content effectively. After you've named your template, the next step is to provide a description. The description serves to further clarify what this template is all about, so try to be as detailed as possible. A well-written description can save you time in the long run by preventing any confusion over what any given template is intended for. Now, it's time to upload the document you wish to work with. Click on the Upload button. This will open a dialog box allowing you to choose the file you want to add to your template. Usually, the documents you'll work with are stored on your computer, so you'll want to navigate to your desktop or the folder where your document is located. Once you found your document, you're going to type in the role for whoever needs to interact with this document. Whether that's an approver, signer, or an editor, clearly specifying roles is crucial to ensuring that the workflow functions smoothly without hiccups. Next, you need to select the name of the individual or group associated with the role. DocuSign will sometimes link to existing contacts for convenience, but you can add new contacts as necessary. This step ensures that at each stage, the right person receives the right document and knows exactly what is required of them. Finally, you're almost there. You hit the next button, which will guide you to a screen where you can make any final adjustments or add tags to the document for signing. And that's it! You've successfully uploaded and prepared a document template in DocuSign, ready for any necessary modifications and for sending whenever you are ready. With these steps completed, you're now equipped to handle document uploads in DocuSign effortlessly. Thanks for joining me today. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tutorials.